Who is Socorro Ramos? Socorro Ramos entered the publishing and retail industry by working as a sales girl at a bookstore. At the age of 19, she opened a national bookstore in Escola with her husband, with a capital of 200 pesos, selling books and school supplies to students. To augment their earnings, she and her husband resorted to selling other items like candles and soaps. At 95, she still believes in the time-honored tradition of hands-on approach in business. She even designed the company logos herself. The most important attributes that you believe made her become a successful entrepreneur: hard work, perseverance, business sense, passion for books, and adaptability. Biggest challenges Socorro Ramos faced. In World War II, her first bookstore was destroyed during the war. Financial struggles. She started with limited capital and had to work hard to rebuild. Typhoons and disaster. A storm destroyed her store in 1950s, forcing her to restart. Competition. She had to compete with other bookstores and suppliers. Changing market. She adapted to new trends like selling school and office supplies along with books. Start small, dream big. Success takes time and effort. Elon Musk was inspired by his vision to advance humanity through sustainable energy, space, exploration, and artificial intelligence. He established his companies in locations with strong technological and financial ecosystem, such as Silicon Valley for Tesla and PayPal, and Texas for SpaceX. His success comes from his relentless work ethic, willingness to take risks, deep technical knowledge, and ability to innovate in multiple industries. Musk has faced financial crisis, production delays, and skepticism from investors and regulators, especially during the Tesla's early years and SpaceX's initial rocket failures. He stays ahead by constantly learning, surrounding himself with experts, and actively engaging with industry developments such as AI advancements and space exploration breakthroughs. Aspiring entrepreneurs should be willing to take risks, work tirelessly, stay adaptable, and focus on solving real world problems with innovative solutions.